Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Confirm your battery isn't limiting performance and turn off battery saver because it forces lower brightness. Open settings and go straight to display or type brightness in the search bar to jump there. Once in display, locate adaptive brightness and switch it off. This ensures manual control actually holds. You're taking control so the system won't override your input. Now make the first manual adjustment on the brightness slider and keep it visible for the next step. Now fine-tune the slider to the brightness you need. Drag steadily and stop when content looks clear without glare. You want a level that works across apps, so test with web pages and photo galleries. If your phone has a blue light filter or night mode, turn it off briefly so you see true luminance. Reduced color temperature can look dimmer even at high brightness. Once done, lock that setting by avoiding auto modes and proceed to permanent options in the next slide. Finish by enabling any high brightness mode, sunlight boost, or display profile the manufacturer provides. These raise peak luminance. Once enabled, restart the phone so settings and display drivers apply cleanly. If brightness still seems stuck, make sure no screen protector or case covers the ambient light sensor and check power mode. Low power often caps brightness. If the issue persists, update firmware or boot to safe mode to rule out third-party.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.